अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, गुडाइस पर खुशामदीद। दोस्तों, फ़लस्तीन के मौजूदा हालात के बाद यूसुफ कबानी मशहूर यूट्यूबर ने अंग्रेज़ खातून एंकर के साथ मिलकर एक सोशल एक्सपेरिमेंट किया, जो देखते ही देखते सोशल मीडिया पर वायरल हो गया। जैसा कि आप लोग वीडियो में देख सकते हैं कि खातून ने एक राहगीर मुसलमान को रोककर इसे अपने आने का मकसद बयान किया और इसके हाथ में फ़लस्तीन का झंडा थमाया, जिसे मोहब्बत में आके नौजवान ने चूम भी दिया। खातून एंकर ने इस नौजवान को बताया कि इसके पास एक अदद iPhone 12 Max Pro है और वो इस नौजवान को ये फ़ोन दे सकती है अगर ये नौजवान चाहे, लेकिन इसके लिए इसे एक काम करना होगा। पहले वो इस फ़लस्तीन के झंडे को आग लगा दे। इस पर इस नौजवान ने इसे मना कर दिया कि वो ये काम नहीं कर सकता। इतने में खातून एंकर का साथी यूसुफ कबानी आता है और कहता है कि iPhone के बदले में वो इस झंडे को आग लगा देगा। यूसुफ कबानी की ये बात सुननी थी कि नौजवान को गुस्सा आ जाता है और वो यूसुफ कबानी को पकड़कर ज़मीन पर पटक देता है। आगे क्या होता है ये सब जानने के लिए इस वीडियो को आखिर तक जरूर देखें।
Hi, excuse me. Are you Muslim? You're Arabic, eh? Yes. Yeah, basically, I've got a camera right there. Would you mind to be on YouTube?
No, I don't mind.
You sure? Okay. Basically, I've got here. Did you see what happened?
It's a really bad story. Like once you have nothing to do with this.
Yeah.
Hope so everything will be fine.
All right. I've got here the flag of Palestine.
Yeah.
Yeah. And can you hold it for me? Yeah. And I've got a challenge for you. You've got to win this iPhone 12 Pro Max. Grab it, this flag. Yeah. If you do just one thing.
Why is that?
Basically, you got to do. So you got the flag in your hand, yeah? Show it to the camera. I've got here a lighter. I've got here a lighter. You have to burn it. For the challenge.
Challenge.
Yes.
You want me to burn it for iPhone?
Sorry?
You want me to burn it for iPhone?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes. Like a challenge. This is the challenge to win an iPhone 12 Pro Max.
You want me to burn it for iPhone?
Yes. 100% you would not do it.
No one will do it.
100%.
100% I'm not doing it. You're crazy.
Oi, excuse me. He looks Arabic, doesn't he? Yeah, come here. Would you mind to be on YouTube? I'm doing a YouTube video. Okay, are you?
مسلم حبيبي عربي كيفك؟
Would you hold it for me?
You're gonna surprise now.
Yeah. And guess what? I've got here an iPhone 12 Pro Max, which you're gonna win it if you do just one thing.
What is it?
Basically, as you're holding the flag, I want you to burn it.
اوه ما سويت انت؟
كيف تسويها يا زلمه؟ هذا يقتلون الاطفال يا زلمه، كل بيتمين انت يا زلمه.
انا اصلي اسرائيلي، انا رح اسويها
انت ايه؟
اسرائيلي.
بتهزر انت؟
لا ما مصر، انا اسرائيلي.
طب وبعدين يعني وريني بس.
انا اسرائيلي.
Understand what you're saying?
اوكي I will do it. I will
You will do
I will bend the Palestinian flag. حبيبي انت شو لك علاقه؟
No, no, no,
I am serious. Yes, I am
You do
serious.
it.
Really? Okay.
What are you doing, man?
حبيبي انت شو
Are you
لك؟
fucking crazy, man?
ايش بشوف؟
Are you crazy?
حبيبي اعطيني
No,
العلاقه.
no, no, no. Come here, come here.
اعطيني العلاقه.
What's happening? What's happening?
ايش الحكي؟
What's happening? Oh my god, leave him alone, leave him alone. What's happening?
ايش الحكي؟
What's happening? Oh my god, leave him alone, leave him alone. Excuse me. Leave him alone. It's a prank, it's a prank. It's a prank. It's a prank. It's a prank. He's with me. You are a very good person. You are a very good person.
طلع عنك طلع عنك.
Don't worry, leave him alone. No, leave him alone. It's a YouTube video. It's alright. Everything fine.
شو بشو صار؟
Yeah. Basically, I've got here the Palestine's flag. The flag of Palestine. Can you hold it for me, please? In front of the camera. I think I hold it in the wrong way, but yeah, it's fine. Yeah, and you got to win. Just a second. An iPhone 12 Pro Max Gold. Really? Yeah.
But why is
Brand
that?
new.
What I'm gonna do?
Basically, you have to burn it.
Burn it. No,
Yeah.
never.
Burn the flag.
Never.
Never, ever.
Never.
100%.
100 million, 1000%.
Oh, he looks Arabic. Oh, excuse me. Come here. Come here. Would you mind to be on YouTube? There is a camera right there. Yeah. Would you mind to be on YouTube?
اه it's alright. What's up?
Alright. Are you Muslim Arabic? Yeah.
عربي حبيبي كيفك؟ عبد السلام.
You Muslim Arabic?
Of course I am Muslim. Yes.
Yeah.
طبعا طريق وصل. انا اصلي اسرائيلي.
Okay. Basically, I've got a challenge for you.
What's the
You got to win this iPhone 12 Pro Max brand new.
Whoa.
If you do,
Whoa.
what are you doing?
iPhone how many? Whoa.
I got three.
iPhone yes.
Three. Yeah, I got 3 in this one.
iPhone 12 Pro Max.
Yeah. And you got to burn it. This is the challenge.
Whoa. If I burn it I win the iPhone.
If you burn it, you win the iPhone.
Whoa. ايش عم تصير انت؟
ما تحدش ايدك. اوعى تدي ايدك.
Slowly.
حبيبي انا بلد حريه انا في بريطانيا. بريطانيا بلد حريه.
ديت ماشي تاج راسك. بلد فيها بنات تاج راسك طول عمرك.
No fighting.
حبيبي انت شو بدك فيني انت حبيبي؟ انا بلد
Excuse me. Boy. Excuse me. Excuse me. No, it's a-
दोस्तों इस वीडियो से पता चलता है कि मुसलमान नौजवान अपने फ़लस्तीनी भाइयों से किस कदर प्यार और मोहब्बत का जज्बा रखते हैं। अगर आप लोगों को भी ये वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो इसे लाइक करें और कमेंट सेक्शन में अपनी कीमती राय से हमें आगाह करें और मेरे चैनल को भी ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें। मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में, जब तक के लिए अपना बहुत सा ख्याल रखें। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।